Hello, English 100 class. This is a short video about taking notes. In this video, it is week 2. We're reading the first few chapters of the book, and we're focusing on taking notes about dad more than the other column. Okay? So dad and the patriarchal family. So I'm going to give an example. Quick note, the other topic about modesty, etc., it won't really come up till chapter 8. So once you get to chapter 8, look for this theme. Also, before I go in the book, I want to mention that the two themes in your notes are the essay topics. So here's your essay 1 assignment. Here's Tara as a little girl. And you have 2 topics to choose from. You're going to do one of these. So dad and the patriarchal family is topic 1. So if you want to do that one, you'll really focus on this theme. And then topic 2, which comes up in chapter 8, modesty, etc. Once you get to chapter 8 and you start seeing this theme come up, it'll come up a lot. Then you can decide if you want to do this one for essay 1. For this video, though, let's focus on dad. In the book, let's go to chapter 5. Chapter 5 starts on page 41. So if you have your book handy, you might open to this page now. All right, page 41. The family's having dinner, and Tyler says he wants to go to college. Tyler is Tara's older brother. Tyler says he wants to go to college. And Tara says, "What's college?" And so at the bottom of page 41, you can see Dad starts talking. "College is extra school for people too dumb to learn the first time around," Dad said. Tyler stared at the floor, his face tense. Then his shoulders dropped, his face relaxed, and looked up. It seemed to me that he'd stepped out of himself. His eyes were soft, pleasant. I couldn't see him in there at all. He listened to Dad, who settled into a lecture. And then Dad goes on about college, saying that college professors are all socialists and things like that. I would put this in my notes because it shows that Dad just talks. He doesn't listen to other people. He doesn't say, "Tyler, why do you want to go to college?" Instead, he just starts spouting his opinion. And of course, mom's there, but she's not saying anything at all. So you really get this sense that the family is patriarchal because Dad just thinks he has a right to say anything he wants and it's up to him, and he doesn't listen to anyone else. So it's a really great scene, and I would read this whole page down to the bottom of page 42 because he says more about college. And notice Tyler's reaction. Tyler's reaction is like, "Okay, I gotta listen to Dad talk." All right, so it's a great dad note. So in your notes, you could just write, "Tyler wants to go to college," and Dad lectures, and then page number. One thing you might also think about is why this is patriarchal. So I'm going to put on your screen I'm going to look up patriarchy right now. So here's a definition. Let's go to dictionary.com. Where is it? Actually, we'll go to Merriam-Webster. Why not? Definition of patriarchy. Social organization marked by the supremacy of the father in the clan or family, the legal dependence of wives and children, and the reckoning of descent and inheritance in the male line. I don't think this is about descent and inheritance, but notice this language, the supremacy of the father in the clan or family. So we definitely see that in Tara's family. Yeah, I think we'll end there. So think about how Dad is behaving in the family and keep looking again and again at the definition of patriarchy, and you will see that Dad is very patriarchal.